Okay, another pond update. Oh, the fish had no clue. It was right here. Oh, we went to a frog. Oh, it's raining, but it does not stop all the water, our water friends, to do their thing. Yeah, here, how about we'll feed them. So, here we go. Look at them go. Just love it. Nah. And this is great because all the mulch that I put down is gonna settle with the rain. It's supposed to rain quite a bit today. Here's oh, look at that. We have some pond friends. They're hanging out here. Oh, I don't like that. Hopefully, oh, there they are. All right, so here's the bog. I have this elephant ear that I cut, and it doesn't look very great, but I'm hoping it'll come back. Otherwise, I'll just have to buy another one. It wasn't happy when I brought it outside. I didn't gradually bring it out, and it was really just angry. So here is where I'm gonna put my new addition, my new waterfall. So I got a bunch of dirt yesterday, and I put this wood here, which is like a retaining wall, just to hold it, because I'm gonna put a horse trough as I'm gonna make another bog. So yeah, I just tie wrapped it, but with the pressure of the dirt, it should hold it all into place. And in the dirt, I got all this rock. So I've been sifting through it, but at a certain point, I was just like, all right, like I have lots. So anyhow, it's gonna come here. It's gonna be a nice big crash. I'm gonna end up putting the horse trough in there soon. I just need to get it a little higher, and I'm probably gonna have to bring it out a smidge more. But the goal is so the kids can still swing. So yeah, that's the big thing. But I want a big crash down. I have a nice pump. Got an Aquascape 2,000 to 5,000 gallons per hour pump. Yeah, here it is. In its glory and rain. All the plants are gonna be super happy. Got myself here. This is a oh man, I'm getting a brain freeze. A blackberry bush. This flower here was in the corner over where the waterfall is going to be, so I dug it up and transplanted it yesterday. It was supposed to be really cold last night. It said 4 degrees, so I didn't bring all those bulbs in. Those are like calla lilies and cannas. and I think they're all right, actually. Look at that. They're starting. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah. Oh yeah, look. So exciting. So exciting. Oh yeah, look. Full-fledged. Nothing in this one yet, but anyhow, it's happening soon. Yeah. So I'm gonna do a bit of rock work. Some of the liners showing. You can't really even tell, but I can. I know what needs to be worked on and what it doesn't. So one thing I'm really excited for, and I have all these pallets down to protect them because my son plays basketball, is I have this one right here, that plant there, they're all sunflowers. I have sunflowers all along the outer perimeter of the pond. I had it last year just in the front. That was great. So I went all the way around this year. So we'll see how it looks. All right, bye for now.